Hello, everybody. Today, we Bokk Tech, we will show you the CRC common rail injector tester application, how to use it, how to set it. Okay, first step, we settle the wire. We put the wire connector into the out connector, yeah. And then another head connect the head connector. Sure. Okay. We can use the different connect head to connect different injector models. Yeah. Okay, next step, we turn on the power. Yes, now on the power. Okay, next step, we adjust the width, the ms, and the frequency, HZ. Yeah, now we are adjusting the width, and now we adjust the frequency, yeah, to the max. Okay, next step is run. Start to running, yeah, and then we give some press on it. Okay, now we add some pressure on it and test the injector. Yeah, the injector is working. Okay, after finish the test, we stop the machine. Stop. Okay. Okay, if you use different injector model, we can choose the different models. Okay, choose Bosch, Dental, Therapy, General. Yeah. Different injectors, different model you can choose. Yeah, we have that. If you change another injector model, we have the different connector. Yeah, you change it and test it. Yeah, show it. 发下来看。